Extend center line, please, from 521. Or is it 622? Is it aligned?
Okay, you have it. Checked. Full heading.
Checked. And we passed 10,000 above aerodrome. GPS primary, accuracy is high, cabin is secure.
And checked. And you have Foxtrot Charlie Whiskey. No.
Checked. Approach phase is activated and speed is selected.
Check.
Alpha 17, turn left heading 310.
Left heading 310, Delta 017.
Left heading 310.
Check.
Alpha 17 heading 280, cleared for the LS 25 center out of 5, speed 220.
Left heading 280, cleared ILS runway 25 center, speed 220 knots, Delta 017.
Checked.
Singapore 26, contact
localizer for now, lock blue.
Good morning.
Check.
1878, good morning.
Speed 220.
Checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed is checked. Flaps 1. 1,000 to go.
Checked. Lock star.
Check.
Alpha 17, speed is up to you.
Free speed.
Free speed, Delta 017.
Lock star. And set connect 1020. Speed is managed.
1020 is set, passing 5,800 now.
Checked. Below the line.
Battle reference.
1020 set.
1020, approach checklist completed.
Lock.
Check.
Dankeschön, guten Morgen, Dagobert 3671, passing flight level 120, descending level 110, on course to Redco with Zulu.
Dagobert 3671, schönen guten Morgen, Zulu stimmt, Redco ist wunderbar, keep high speed for the ILS 25.
Catherine to it, part 12.
High speed approved, 25
Slow blue.
Dagobert 3671.
Speed out star.
Check.
Langen arrival, good morning, Delta 3340 passing 120 for 100, information Yankee.
Check.
Delta 3340, good morning, information is Zulu at QNH 1020, call back for runway assignment. 020 Zulu, and we'd like 25 left if we can get it. Yeah, at this time 25 left is closed, 25 center is available, but I'll check whether 25 left is going to be open at 5 on the hour, call you back.
Set to 5 left closed.
Arrival, good morning, Lufthansa 631 Heavy, passing 166, descending 110, information Zulu.
Guten Morgen, expect an ILS 25 center.
Check.
Go around as 5,000, set already.
And check.
Delta 3340, 25 left will be closed for another 35 minutes, so expect an ILS 25 center.
Should open at 5.
We'll get that, thanks.
Yeah, they have
Dagobert
temporary
3671, descend level
operations.
70.
Dagobert 3671, descending level 70.
Guys, stop.
Check.
Alpha 17, contact tower on 11878, bye-bye.
11878, Delta 017, good day. Tower, good morning, Golf Air 017, fully established, runway 25 center.
Golf Air 017, good morning. Continue approach, wind is calm.
Continue approach, Golf Air 017.
Continue approach.
Emirates 9936, call apron on 121855. Good day.
121855, Emirates 9936. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Checked out alive.
Radar
Flaps
fine.
2, please.
Speed is checked. Flaps 2.
Landing gear down.
Landing gear down.
Flaps 3.
Speed is checked. Flaps 3.
And flaps full.
Speed is checked. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
Cabin.
Secure.
Auto thrust.
Speed.
Auto brake.
Low.
E-camber.
Number 26, right
Landing
now,
1 blue, cabin secure.
121855.
Landing
Good morning.
checklist completed. Continue approach.
Checked.
121855, Singapore 26, good morning.
Just ask him, well, when you have time, which exit to take to vacate the runway.
Golf Air 017, wind calm. Runway 25 center, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 center, Golf Air 017.
Right.
And what exit do you want us to take after the landing?
Well, vacate to the right.
Thank you.
Okay. We're clear to land.
Checked. 321, the pitch.
Yes.
7.5. Yeah.
Disconnecting autopilot.
Check.
Cat 1.
Check.
1000.
Check.
And
Speed
3
managed.
miles. Checked.
One shift.
500.
Stable.
Continue. Land.
Check.
Hundred above.
Check.
Check.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check.
$50, $40, $30, $20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Descent.
Checked. Manual braking.
Check. 70 knots.
Checked. All the lights are off. Just ask him, can we take this turn?
He said to the right.
To the right.
Golf 017.